In this tip of the day, let's take a look at selecting edges when working with geometry within OneCNC. Now in this example, let's focus on these three edges right down here. Let's say we want to apply a chamfer. We'll head over to the Command Manager, select our Model Tools. From there we'll select Fillet, and there you can see I have chamfer selected. I already have a value of 100 thousandths. I'm going to click OK to that. Now what's going to happen here is that if I take my cursor and left click on any one of these three edges down here at the bottom, OneCNC will automatically, by default, select all the tangent edges as well. So if I were to left click this edge on the arc, notice how the other tangent edges are selected. You can see that in the blue there. So if I right hand mouse click, OneCNC applies the chamfer to all three edges. But what if I want to apply the chamfer to just one edge? For example, this edge right here. Well, we can definitely do that. Let's undo this by hitting Control-Z, Control-Zebra on the keyboard. We're going to go back into the Command Manager, select Fillet, Chamfer, and in fact, I'm going to make my chamfer a little bigger, though it really doesn't matter for this example, but I'm going to make the chamfer a little bigger. We'll make it at 300 thousandths. We'll click OK. Now by default, if I were to left-click this edge, OneCNC would select all the tangent geometry. However, if I hold the Tab key down on the keyboard, while pressing the Tab key down, if I were to left-click on that edge, OneCNC only selects just that edge. Now when I right-hand mouse click, OneCNC applies the chamfer to just that edge. Now what I just demonstrated works for creating a chamfer, creating a fillet, and also when you're extracting geometry from edges. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.